was a quartz wall clock chiming 12 o'clock. This is actually my wall clock. It's placed in my room. You may be surprised on how it does the chime. There are no rods on quartz clocks since they're battery operated. This one has a speaker at the bottom. The sound of the chime is a digital recording of a music box doing the noise, so there's no rods involved. Let me just tell you about this clock. I got this clock at Christmas time, and there's the face. It's all made of glass. It's a wall clock. And how we had to get it all set up was we first had to have 4 AA batteries inserted into the battery compartment. This clock, when you insert the batteries, it will chime and strike automatically. You don't need to worry about that. That's normal. Then you have to turn the handset knob to set the correct time. Then you hang the pendulum on the swing loop. Then push the pendulum slightly to make it swing, which it swings like this. Then push the button on the speaker and count the number of strikes after the melody in comparison with the time, and note the difference between the number of strikes and the correct time. For example, now it's 12 o'clock p.m. If it chimed 6 a.m., you should push the button 6 times. Note, this clock will only chime from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. to avoid sleeping hours. So if there is no strike during the push the button, it means that the time of clock must be set to within 6 a.m. or 9 p.m. And folks, that is it for this quartz wall clock. Thank you.